Excuse me, sir. May I help you cross?
Yes, please. The traffic looks very heavy today.
It is. Let's wait for the green signal.
Good idea. I sometimes feel nervous at this crossing.
No problem. Please stand here, away from the curb.
Thank you for being careful and patient with me.
You're welcome. Do you see the signal timer?
Yes, it shows 20 seconds left to red.
We'll wait for the next green. Safety first, always.
I appreciate your help. People hurry too much sometimes.
That's true. Are you feeling okay right now?
I'm fine, just a little unsteady on my feet.
When it turns green, please hold my arm gently.
Thank you. That support makes me feel more confident.
The light is about to change. Let's get ready.
I see it. The walking symbol is blinking now.
It's green. Let's cross slowly on the zebra crossing.
Yes, I'll match your pace and look both ways.
Watch out for the bicycle coming from the left.
I see it now. Thank you for pointing it out.
We still have time on the timer. No rush.
I'm glad. Rushing makes crossing much more dangerous.
We're halfway. Keep to the center of the lines.
All right. My balance feels better with your arm.
Almost there. The footpath is just a few steps.
I can see the bench beside the tree ahead.
Great. We've crossed safely. Let's move to the bench.
Thank you so much. You were very considerate today.
You're welcome. Would you like to sit and rest?
Yes, please. A short rest would be very helpful.
Here you go. Sit here. Do you need water?
No, thank you. I just need a minute.
Take your time. The traffic is still heavy anyway.
I'll be careful when I cross in the future.
Always use the crossing and follow the signals.
I will. Your kindness makes the city feel safer.
I'm happy to help. Have a peaceful day.
You too, my friend. Stay safe and well.
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling well today.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What's troubling you?
I have a cough and a mild fever.
How long have you had these symptoms exactly?
For about 3 days. The cough is mostly dry.
Any sore throat, headache, or body aches lately?
Yes, a little sore throat and some body aches.
Have you checked your temperature at home recently?
Yes, it was 101 degrees Fahrenheit, around 38.3 degrees Celsius yesterday evening.
Are you feeling short of breath or wheezing?
No, my breathing seems normal, just tired and weak.
Did you have a cold or flu last week?
Yes, I had a cold, but it improved slightly.
Any allergies or known medical conditions to mention?
No allergies that I know. I'm generally healthy.
Are you taking any medicine besides paracetamol?
Currently, only paracetamol every 6 to 8 hours.
All right, please open your mouth and say, ah.
Is my throat very red and inflamed?
A bit red, but nothing severe. Lungs sound clear.
That's a relief. What do you recommend for treatment?
Take this cough syrup twice a day after meals.
Twice a day after meals. I will remember that.
Also, take these tablets with food for 3 days.
With food, 3 days. Should I avoid cold drinks?
Yes, avoid cold drinks and have warm water frequently.
I'll rest and drink warm water through the day.
Good. If fever continues beyond 2 days, come back.
Understood. Should I stay home from work tomorrow?
Yes, rest tomorrow. Sleep well and reduce screen time.
Thank you, doctor. I feel calmer after your advice.
You're welcome. Follow the instructions and monitor your temperature.
I will. May I call if something feels worse?
Of course, call anytime. Your prescription is ready now.
Thank you so much for your careful attention today.
Take care. You should feel better in a few days.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Sure, no problem. How can I help you?
I'm looking for the City History Museum.
It's close by. Are you walking or taking a bus?
I prefer walking if it's not too far.
It's about 8 minutes on foot from here.
Great. Which way should I go first?
Go straight along this road for 3 blocks.
3 blocks straight. What should I look for?
You'll see a big library on your right.
A library on the right. Then what next?
Turn left at the library corner onto Maple Street.
Left at the library onto Maple Street. Okay.
Walk 2 blocks, you'll pass a coffee shop.
A coffee shop on the way. Sounds good.
After that, you'll see a small park on left.
Park on the left. Is the museum near there?
Yes, the museum is next to the park entrance.
Is it easy to recognize from the street?
Very. It's a tall building with a blue banner.
Do I need to cross any busy roads?
Yes, cross at the traffic lights near the library.
At the lights near the library. I'll be careful.
The museum opens until 5 in the evening today.
Perfect. I still have time to visit peacefully.
If you get lost, ask anyone near Maple Street.
Just to confirm, straight 3 blocks, left at library, 2 blocks, park, museum.
Exactly right. You won't miss it with those landmarks.
Is there an entry fee for adults today?
Yes, $10, but students get a discount.
I'll bring my student card just in case.
Good plan. The gift shop closes a bit earlier.
Thanks for the tip and the clear directions.
You're welcome. Enjoy the exhibits and have fun.
I will. Have a wonderful day yourself.
You too. Safe walk and happy learning.
Hello, I am looking for a shirt and jeans.
Welcome. What size shirt do you usually wear?
I usually wear medium. Do you have cotton shirts?
Yes, we have 100% cotton in several colors.
Great. I prefer light blue or plain white.
Here are both options. Would you like to try?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room located?
It's over there next to the mirror wall.
Thank you. I'll try the light blue first.
Take your time. I'll prepare slim fit jeans too.
The shirt fits well. The fabric feels comfortable.
Wonderful. What size jeans do you need?
Size 32. Slim fit, dark color if possible.
Here are two options, dark indigo and black.
I'll try the indigo pair with the blue shirt.
Sure. Let me know if you need assistance.
These jeans are slightly tight around the waist.
Would you like to try size 34 instead?
Yes, size 34 might be more comfortable.
Here you are. The same style, one size larger.
This fit is better. I can move easily.
Great. The shirt and jeans look good together.
How much are they? Is there any discount?
The shirt is $12. Jeans are $20. 10% off today.
That's helpful. Can I pay by card now?
Yes, we accept all major cards. Please tap here.
Thank you. Can I wear them out today?
Of course. I'll remove the tags and pack extras.
Do they shrink after washing? Any care instructions?
Machine wash cold. They won't shrink. Avoid bleach. Gentle cycle.
Perfect. Please include the receipt in the bag.
Certainly. You can return within 7 days if needed.
Thanks for your help and clear information today.
You're welcome. You made excellent choices. Have a great day.
You too. I'll recommend this store to friends.
We appreciate it. Come back for our new collection.
Hi there. I'd like to order breakfast, please.
Welcome. What would you like to start with?
A small cappuccino, extra hot, with no sugar.
Got it. Would you like dairy or oat milk?
Oat milk, please. Is there an extra charge?
No extra today. We have a promotion running.
Great. I'll also have a veggie sandwich combo.
The combo includes chips or salad. Which do you prefer?
Salad, please. Can you add extra tomatoes?
Absolutely. Any sauces or dressings you like.
Light mayo and a little mustard, please.
Noted. Would you like anything sweet afterward?
Maybe later. How long will the order take?
About 8 minutes. Would you like it for here?
For here, please. Can I get a table number?
You can sit at table 7 by the window.
Perfect. Could you make the cappuccino slightly stronger?
Sure. I'll add an extra shot at no cost.
Thank you. Do you have a student discount?
Yes, 10% with a valid student ID.
I have it here. Can I pay now?
Yes, please. Tap your card on the reader.
Done. Could I change the salad to Caesar?
Of course. Caesar salad with dressing on the side.
That's great. May I get water as well?
Self-serve water is over there near the counter.
Thanks. If the sandwich has onions, please remove them.
No onions, extra tomatoes, light mayo, and mustard. Confirmed.
You got it. Thank you for being so attentive.
My pleasure. I'll bring your order to table 7.
Wonderful. I'll be waiting by the window.
Your cappuccino will arrive first, then the sandwich.
Sounds perfect. I appreciate the quick service today.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal and have a relaxing morning.
Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Welcome. What dates are you planning to stay?
From Friday to Monday, 3 nights in total.
Would you prefer a single or double room?
A double room, non-smoking with a quiet view.
We have a double on the 5th floor.
Does it include breakfast and free Wi-Fi?
Yes, breakfast is included. Wi-Fi is complimentary throughout.
Great. What's the nightly rate with taxes included?
It's $95 per night, taxes included for this weekend.
That works. Can I request a late checkout?
Late checkout until 1 p.m. is available upon request.
Perfect. I'd like that if possible, please.
I've added the note. May I see your ID?
Here you go. Can I pay with my card?
Yes, please insert or tap your card here.
Done. Is there a deposit for incidentals?
A $50 hold will be placed and released.
Understood. Is there parking for hotel guests?
Yes, underground parking is available at no charge.
Excellent. Do you have a quiet workspace area?
The lobby has a business corner with printers.
Great. Could you confirm breakfast times for me?
Thank you. May I have 2 key cards?
Certainly. Here are 2 cards and the Wi-Fi code.
Could I also get a city map, please?
Of course. I've marked popular spots and routes.
That's helpful. Any nearby restaurants you recommend?
Try Olive Garden Street, 5 minutes walk. Many choices.
Wonderful. I appreciate your patient, clear explanations today.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay and contact reception anytime.
I will. See you later, and thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a comfortable and pleasant visit.
Excuse me, did anyone turn in a black wallet?
Hello, when and where did you last see it?
I sat on the bench near the fountain.
What time was that approximately?
This afternoon, around 2:30 p.m., I left in a hurry.
I'll check our log. What brand or features?
It's a leather wallet with a silver clasp. Any ID or name inside for verification purposes? Yes, my driver's license and a student card. All right, please wait while I check the drawer. Thank you. I'm worried about my ID documents. I found a black leather wallet just turned in. Does it have a small scratch on the corner? Yes, a small scratch on the front right. That's mine. Is there a license with my name? Yes, I see your name on the license. Thank goodness. Can I have it back now? Certainly. Please sign this form to confirm pickup. Of course. Do I need to pay any fee? No fee, just a signature and your phone number. Done. Thank you for keeping it safe here. You're welcome. Please double check the cash and cards. Everything looks fine. Nothing seems to be missing. I'm glad. Be careful with your belongings next time. I will. I'll keep it in a zipped pocket. That's wise. We also have a small locker service. Good to know. Is it available on weekends? Yes, available daily from 9 to 6. Thank you again for your quick assistance today. My pleasure. Have a safe afternoon in the park. You too. I'm relieved and very grateful. Happy to help. Take care and enjoy your day.
Hi, do you have a moment to talk? Sure. Is everything okay in the building?
Mostly, yes. I wanted to discuss late night noise.
I'm sorry if it was loud last night. I understand the music was strong after midnight. We had friends over and lost track of time.
I get it.
Could you lower volume after 10? Absolutely. We'll keep it quiet after 10 p.m. Thank you. I have early meetings on weekdays. Noted. Are there any other concerns to mention? Footsteps on the stairs are sometimes heavy at night. We'll remind guests to walk gently and avoid heels. I appreciate that. The walls are a bit thin. Understood. We can move the speakers from the wall. That would help. I value friendly communication between neighbors. Same here. Please tell us if it happens again. I will, and let me know if we disturb you. Thank you. Your approach is calm and respectful. I try. Peaceful evenings help me sleep better. Totally fair. We'll set a volume limit tonight. Great. I'm grateful for your quick response today. Of course, we want a happy, quiet building. If you ever need help, knock on my door. That's kind. We might borrow a toolkit someday. I have one. I'm happy to lend it. Perfect. We'll be mindful and you sleep well. Thanks again. I'm glad we talked face to face. Me too. Communication beats complaints every time. Agreed. Have a peaceful evening ahead. You as well. Good night and take care.
Hello. I need a ticket to Central Station.
One-way or return ticket for Central Station?
One way, please. What time is the next bus?
The next bus leaves at 10:30 a.m.
How long is the ride to Central Station?
About 25 minutes without heavy traffic.
How much is the one-way ticket today?
It's $3.50. Cards and cash are both accepted.
I'll pay by card. Do I need to validate?
No validation needed. The ticket activates upon purchase.
Which platform does the 10:30 bus depart from?
Platform 4 on the left side outside.
Is there seating while I wait for departure?
Yes, benches are near platforms 3 and 4.
Great. Does this bus stop near the museum?
It stops 2 blocks from the museum entrance.
Good to know. Is there Wi-Fi on board?
Yes, free Wi-Fi and charging ports at seats.
Nice. Can I bring a small suitcase on?
Certainly. Place it in the overhead rack carefully.
Just to confirm, platform 4 at 10:30, right?
Correct. Please arrive 5 minutes early to board.
If I miss it, when's the next bus?
The next one is at 10:50 a.m.
Perfect. Here's my card for the fare.
Thank you. Please tap and wait for approval.
Approved. Could I get a printed receipt?
Yes, here it is along with your ticket.
Thanks for the clear, friendly help today.
You're welcome. Have a safe and pleasant trip.
I will. Enjoy the rest of your morning.
You too. Platform 4 is straight ahead.